Immersive Fusion. Hello, I am Gridmaster Pixel. Today, I present to you an open source project called the OpenTelemetry Chaos Simulator from Immersive Fusion. A link to the GitHub repository is in the video description. The primary objective of this project is to offer a no-touch, no-code, end-to-end application performance management experience to those seeking to see the capabilities of OpenTelemetry. This example uses readily available OpenTelemetry libraries to ensure vendor neutrality and ease of understanding. The demo is located at demo.iapm.app and uses an OTLP exporter which transmits telemetry data into a demonstration immersive APM application grid. We'll also take a look at some basic uses of chaos or failure injection into isolated sandbox instances to allow different users to break or fix functionality independently of each other. Upon arrival, a new sandbox will be generated for you unless you're reusing a previous one. Let's get started. The Chaos Simulator consists of 3 straightforward steps. Step 1, inject failure or break the sandbox, as well as eject failure or fix the sandbox. Step 2, run a flow that either has failure injected or not. And 3, show the result of the flow that was run. Our aim is to provide the quickest and least effort path to observe sample application without needing to make code or configuration changes, deploy, or run the example in a container. Okay, so there are 2 ways in which we display the flow results. One is inside a simple text terminal that provides immediately available output from the flow. It's not a very useful happy or broken path representation, though, as it appears on the user's screen and not the developer's. However, it's helpful when running through the example quickly. The other is by opening the Configured APM tool, in this case, an immersive APM application grid. This is how developers or other personnel responsible for software application health would use APM. Regardless of whose computer the error occurred on, an APM tool can display the information in high fidelity under a single pane of glass. Ready? Let's delve into it. The 2 flows we have today are for SQL database and Redis cache. In both cases, we can observe the happy path and break the SQL and Redis connections to witness the broken path. Running either flow without injecting failure produces a success output message in the terminal. We can break the flows by pressing the break buttons, and if we run the flows again, we see failure messages in the terminal. It's important to note that almost all client-facing errors are intentionally brief. You'll generally find no stack traces of specifics of what happened under a failure. And this is where APM is invaluable. Upon opening the Configured APM tool, you'll immediately latch onto the sandbox you're using and you will not see other users' sandbox interactions. There, you can easily observe the happy and broken path. Moreover, for the failure case, you can view the error, the full stack trace, and any related logs. In conclusion, this is a simple, no-touch, no-code, end-to-end application performance management experience in less than 5 minutes. Thanks for your time. Follow the links in the video description to see the example source code or to try Immersive APM. Please feel free to clone or fork the example code on GitHub. We hope it benefits you with your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, until next time, I think that does it. Bye.